Hello, I'm Dr. Deepti, and we are trying to understand different concepts from maths under the heading Decreations Mathematics. We have been looking at integration by parts, and now in this episode, we will be solving some examples. So, first example is integral of x cos 2x dx. Now, before we go there, let us look at the genesis of integration by parts. We have dealt it in detail with this in the previous episode, but right now let us try to recall it. So if you remember, we realized that we need to use integration by parts when you have two functions, basically in the product phase. For example, integral of x e raised to x dx, integral of x sin x dx, integral of sin x cos x dx, integral of ln of x into 1 dx, etc. We have already solved the example using the rule of integration by parts, whose genesis we had seen is from the product rule. This was the example that we need to solve right now in this episode. Integral of x cos 2x dx. Now, for your reference, I have written the format of integration by parts here. So what you essentially need to do is identify u dv by dx, and we had already talked about the Lie rule that is used for that. So now looking at this example, integral of x cos 2x dx, we will put u as x, dv by dx as cos 2x. So if u is x, du by dx will be 1. If dv by dx is cos 2x, v is going to be integral of cos 2x dx, which we know is sin 2x, and since there's 2 here, we need to divide it by 2. So sin 2x by 2 plus constant of integration. Now, finally, we need to write the constant of integration. It's an arbitrary value, so right now, it doesn't have so much importance here. So now, considering the format, integral of x cos 2x dx will be equal to, so just follow this. So u into v, u we had identified to be x, v we have calculated to be sin 2x by 2 minus integral of v du by dx dx. What is v? We have already calculated it, half sin 2x. What is du by dx? It's just 1. Dx plus c. So this term simply becomes half of x sin 2x minus half of integral of sin 2x dx plus c. So the first term will come down as it is. The second term, integral of sin 2x, we need to find out. That will give us minus cos 2x upon 2. So when you multiply it to minus half, you will get plus 1 by 4 cos 2x plus c. So your answer for integral of x cos 2x dx is x by 2 sin 2x plus cos 2x by 4 plus c, or in other words, half of x sin 2x plus 1 by 4 cos 2x plus c. Thank you.